Our goal is to estimate for mu, where mu is the mean pulse rate of all adult males. And we want to estimate for this value with 98% confidence level. And we want to make sure that we are not off by more than 4 beats per minute. So that's our margin of error. We're also given some population data where the population standard deviation is 10.8 beats per minute. So in order for us to estimate for mu with 98% confidence and be within 4 beats per minute, we need to ask ourselves, how large of a sample would we need? So how many adult males would I have to calculate their pulse rate for so that I can estimate for that mean value at the population level? So here there's a formula for calculating this. That formula involves our critical value, z sub alpha divided by 2, all right, times our population standard deviation, divide this by our margin of error, and then we square this whole thing. So right now I have my sigma and I have my margin of error, but I'm missing that critical value. So again, to calculate that critical value, you can go to your calculator, and we are looking at the standard normal distribution where mu is 0 and sigma is 1. So we're looking for the z-score that separates an area of alpha divided by 2. So real quickly, alpha here is going to be 1 minus your confidence level. And so that is going to give me 2% or 0.02, but then I need to divide it by 2. So I'm looking for an area of 1% or 0.01 on the right. So 0.02 divided by 2, which is the same thing as 0.01 on the right. Go to your calculator and use that inverse norm function. You're going to type in 1 minus the area on the right, comma 0, comma 1, and the calculator should give you a critical value of 2.33. So this marking right here is 2.33. So a z-score of 2.33 is what separates an area of 0.01 on the right. So if we plug all this information into the formula, 2.33 times the population standard deviation divided by our margin of error and then square this whole thing, we should get 39.6, which we can round up to 40. So that means that I need to take a look at least 40 adult male pulse rates in order for me to get the average and use that sample mean or that sample average to estimate for the true population mean value.